Did you know there is a tiny pulse packed with huge health benefits? Hi everyone, welcome back to Vyapti Curious Minds. Meet horse gram, one of India's oldest and healthiest traditional foods. Small in size but powerful for health. Horse gram is actually called Kulthi or Huruli. It is a protein rich pulse commonly grown in India. It has been used in traditional Indian diets and Ayurveda for hundreds of years. People especially love it in rasam, chutney, soups, and healthy meals. Also, sambar. Health benefits. Horse gram is loaded with protein, iron, calcium, and fiber. It may help in weight management, improving digestion, boosting energy, supporting heart health. It is also believed to help reduce cholesterol and keep the body warm during cold seasons. And because it's rich in fiber, it keeps you full for a longer time. Interesting fact about Huruli. Horse gram is considered one of the most climate resistant crops. It can grow even in dry areas with very little water. So, next time you see horse gram, don't ignore this tiny superfood. Healthy, traditional, and nutritious, all in one. Here I am going to share a very simple sambar recipe where South Indian people, especially Karnataka people, love eating this with rice. To prepare delicious sambar recipe, we need to add beans, tomato, potato, onion, sprouted horse gram, where healthiest Indian spices give more taste for sambar. This is how we prepare healthiest recipe. For more science related content, please do follow Vyapti Curious Minds. Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you so much.